Let me introduce the newly launched JTDR-160 Five-Axis Machining Center. It is independently developed and manufactured by our Kejie Technology. It is mostly used for processing small, multi-hole metal parts. It is suitable for dental medical treatment and is applicable to various fields such as dental medicine, aerospace, and aviation instruments and equipment. JTDR-160. The first feature is small size, only 1.2 meters in width, 2.27 meters in length. It covers an area of only 2.7 square meters, compared to our traditional hot sale model JTDR-400. The overall area decreased by 28%, and the total weight decreased by 31%. Its total weight is 2 tons only. Very easy to get on the freight elevator. If you have load capacity problem on your plant building, the JTDR-160 Five-Axis Machining Center is recommended, and it can be your first choice for mass production and automated production. The second feature is fast speed. After meeting the rigid machining demands, the overall components used are light and handy, which makes it move fast, and the feed rate is faster. The machine is a keypad with our own brand JTDR JT810 high-speed CSE system. What are the features of JTDR system? High precision, high surface quality processing mode. Makes the processing quality better and higher efficient. Okay, let's have a look at it. The tool magazine capacity is 21 tools. You can imagine how fast the tool switching time is. Only 1 second. It greatly saves much processing time for you when changing tools. The machine tool has the probe function. It can identify the center of the workpiece much faster, and even faster correction, and find the center of the fixture. Besides, this machine tool has the RTCP Five-Axis tooltip following function. Makes the Five-Axis machine parts of polyhedrons processing better and faster. It is processing titanium alloy workpiece now. It can not only process titanium alloys, aluminum, copper, and steel materials can also be processed. All kinds of metal materials. Its cutting force is very strong. Furthermore, in our system, it has a stronger tool management function and operation functions. This makes the machine more integrated with the human, very good man-machine interaction. After introducing this machine, let me introduce our another patented product. You can see the machine is processing a false teeth, and you can see a cooling device in it. The tools used in the five-axis machining process vary in length. How can we achieve automation to reduce human intervention and ensure the cooling of workpieces? We Kejie Technology developed a programmable cooling device. No matter the tool length is long or short, the coolant can automatically spray directly onto the tip of the tools to achieve better cooling effect. The whole process is completed fully automatically. It can set the tool automatically. After the tool setting, it can adjust the tool angle automatically according to the tool length. If you want batch processing to increase the produciton efficiency greatly, just choose this model. Five-Axis Machining Center JTDR-160. Thank you.